Okay guys, thank you for being here with me today. You know, this is the final products. As you see guys, everything is up and ready.
Juice is already
Hey guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. What's going on guys? Hope everybody's doing good. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers on the channel guys. Let's go up to 1,000 subscriber guys. Today we are here with another recipe again guys. As you can see on my board here in the kitchen, we have a lot of ingredients lined up for you guys right here. Look at the presentation. We have our pineapple right here guys. We have some cloves of garlics right here. We have some lime or lemon right here guys. We have our celery right here guys, all washed and clean. We have our large cucumber right here guys, and we have our beetroot right here, carrots right here, and if I don't call ginger, ginger is right here. And we're gonna start some juicing for you guys, so stick around. Remember, all of these ingredients guys, especially the celery, the cucumber, and the beetroot, is good for heart health. It helps to regulate your heart, give you a better heart, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be able to minimize strokes and all that stuff, blocking the arteries. There's a lot of health benefit to having celery, cucumber, beetroot in your diet along with ginger. You know the health benefit for having ginger and the pineapple guys. It's gonna be awesome juicing today, so stick around for the video guys, coming right up after the break. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with our pineapple here, and all you gotta do is just cut the top and the bottom off, remove the top. You're gonna go plant this, you can go plant that, but here we go. Okay guys, we're gonna go boil the pineapple peel. So just pour them in to the pot. We're gonna get that boiled down just like that. Okay guys, so my cucumber is in my blender. Right now I'm gonna put the celery in there. So we are adding the celery at this time. It's time to strain this thing. Okay guys, so we have a nice large lemon here. Go ahead and give it a cut. We'll squeeze it in here. Okay guys, my celery juice, cucumber, ginger and everything is up and running, so time for me to go ahead guys and make the other juice. So here we have some carrots, some beetroots, ginger, and we're gonna go ahead to do some more blending guys. So with this juice we're gonna use a little bit of the celery juice. I'm gonna drop them in here just like that without even gonna cut them up. I'm gonna let the machine does it thing and put the cover on just like that. Yep, it's a good look, good juicing. All right, get the machine up and running. Go ahead and hit chop. It's the heart of the pineapple, guys. So put that in there. Make love on a plane, 30,000 feet in the air, you can see the rain. We gonna make love under the influence. Baby, what an experience. Have you ever made love on a plane? 30,000 feet in the air, you can see the rain. We gonna make love under the influence. Okay, guys. Here we are. Looking good already. This is a very good juice, guys. Beetroot is good for your heart. Regulate blood pressure. If you got high blood pressure, guys, you want to definitely try this. It's have a lot of health benefit for high blood pressure. A lot more health benefit as well. Okay guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. This is the final product. As you can see, here's my beetroot, my carrots, and all of my good stuff in here, guys. This is a cut to go drink. Very refreshing. Get over here! Over some ice with some lime. Just like that. Very refreshing.
You know what time it is, your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro, cook on your yard, eat for your yard.